And I'm going to do a painting on top of it. Peel this off and hopefully it'll look like a window. I'm going to do these bits first. Okay, you ready everyone? Are you ready? Here it goes. Here we go. Oh. Here we go. Sorry. This tape I've got on here is called low tack. And I buy it at my local store. And you can use it for painting decorating. It gives a crisp edge. So there you go guys. If anyone wants to buy this, let us know. 50p. Buy one get one free. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh dear. 50p, yeah. You get two for £1. Here comes the other one. Look. Here we go. That's quite thick there because the mountain's got snow on it. I'm doing it slowly. Okay. Okay. Do you know what, guys? I'm joking, but these are probably worth a lot of money when I'm dead. Do you know what I mean? Okay, what do you think so far, guys? We've got the outside to do. Right, I've got to think which tape I put on first. Okay, the two sides can come off first. Hopefully. I'm going to have to stand up because I don't want to get in the way. Sign them then. Yes, I'll have to sign somewhere. So, okay, let's go with this. Let's hope this is different tape. So I'm hoping that it'll be as good. Got a little bit of bleeding there, but nothing that can't be sorted. I mean, it's tiny. Flipping it. Another 50p. Blimey, I'm doing so good today. That's £1.50 so far. This time next year. Okay. Let's read some comments. Is this going to be a window? Yeah, like I said at the beginning of the stream, it could either be a window or just, you know, just something different. But I think a window is quite good, isn't it? It really does throw the painting back a little bit. Another 50p. Flipping it. I'll tell you what, I'll do a deal on a lot. It's amazing, thank you so much. Right, let's do the top one next. Oh, I just hit my nail on the back of that board and it made me have the heebie-jeebies. You know when you like when you scrape your nail down the blackboard? It was like that. I don't like that and I don't like touching polystyrene. Okay, here we go. So the canvas had a coat of white gesso first. This bit of tape's longer, so it's worth £1, okay? Or 75p. I'll make up my mind. There we go. If I do my calculations right, I'm going to be rich. That is a lot of painted tape. Razmataz, how you doing? I've only just joined in, always missing you. Oh no. Hopefully, maybe you haven't got notifications on. It should send a notification. Okay, here we go for the last one. Here we go, guys. Been very, very good so far. Way up. Way up. Keep it still. And there. Oh, blimey. Did you see that? Ah, that last little bit. No problem, no problem. No problem. There. Well, I must say that looks pretty pucker. That does look pretty pucker. Someone just joined. I can't see who it was. I am very pleased with the way it's come out. Thank you. Fabulous, says Juneberry. Thank you. Incredible. Thank you, everyone. You're also very, very kind. And oh, so look, just look at this one, man. That has come out so nice. Thank you so much for the gifts. I really appreciate gifts. Help towards buy paint, canvases, brush cleaner, everything. Thank you so much. Yeah, I like that. How much? I'm gonna thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Really appreciate it, and all the taps of the screen, the follows. Everyone has been so kind tonight. Thank you, as always. So yeah, the water looks great as well. I think. Imagine that hanging up on the wall. That looks pretty crisp, actually.